Welcome to Learn English with Maria. Today, we're going to explore some really useful English phrases that you can use in your daily life. These phrases are simple, easy to remember, and will help you sound more natural when speaking in everyday situations. You don't need to memorize them all at once. Just listen, repeat, and try to use a few every day. Little by little, you'll feel more confident and fluent. So let's begin. Suppose you're starting your day and you see someone you know. Good morning. How did you sleep? Good morning. How did you sleep? Hope you have a great day today. Hope you have a great day today. Let's get the day started. Let's get the day started. Now, imagine you're making plans with someone. Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? Let's grab a coffee sometime. Let's grab a coffee sometime. That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. Now, suppose you're at home with family or friends. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Dinner is almost ready. Dinner is almost ready. I'll be there in a minute. I'll be there in a minute. Let's watch something together. Let's watch something together. Now, imagine you're at the grocery store. Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Where can I find the bread? Where can I find the bread? Can I pay with a card? Can I pay with a card? Now, let's say you're at work or in a meeting. Let's get started. Let's get started. Can I add something here? Can I add something here? That's a great point. That's a great point. Let me check and get back to you. Let me check and get back to you. Now, imagine you're meeting someone after a long time. It's so good to see you. It's been a while, hasn't it? How have you been? How have you been? Now you're at a cafe or a restaurant. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? I'll have a coffee with milk. I'll have a coffee with milk. Can we get the bill, please? Can we get the bill, please? Suppose now you're talking about your feelings. I'm feeling a bit tired today. I'm feeling a bit tired today. I'm in a really good mood. I'm in a really good mood. That made me really happy. That made me really happy. Now, imagine you're encouraging someone. Don't worry, you're doing great. Don't worry, you're doing great. Take your time, no rush. Take your time, no rush. Keep going, you're almost there. Keep going, you're almost there. Suppose you're giving your opinion. I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. In my opinion, we should try something new. In my opinion, we should try something new. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. Let's continue with more daily life situations and the useful phrases you can use in each of them. Keep listening, keep repeating, and slowly these will become a natural part of your speaking style. Now imagine you're on a phone call with someone. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Sorry, I think the signal is weak. Sorry, I think the signal is weak. I'll call you back in a few minutes. I'll call you back in a few minutes. Now suppose you're asking for help in public or at a store. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for this item. I'm looking for this item. Could you please show me the way? Could you please show me the way? Now imagine you're learning something new or in a class. Could you explain that again? Could you explain that again? I didn't quite get that. I didn't quite get that. Can you speak a bit more slowly, please? Can you speak a bit more slowly, please? Suppose you're giving someone a compliment. You did a great job. You did a great job. I really like your idea. I really like your idea. That color looks good on you. That color looks good on you. Now imagine you're getting ready to leave or say goodbye. I should get going now. I should get going now. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. Take care and have a nice day. Take care and have a nice day. Now you're at the doctor's clinic or explaining your health. I've been feeling a bit sick. I've been feeling a bit sick. My head hurts. My head hurts. I need to book an appointment. I need to book an appointment. Now imagine you're at the airport or traveling. Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? What time is my flight? What time is my flight? Is this the line for boarding? Is this the line for boarding? Now suppose you're running late or apologizing. Sorry I'm late. Sorry I'm late. There was a lot of traffic. There was a lot of traffic. Thanks for waiting for me. Thanks for waiting for me. Now imagine you're offering someone something. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Can I get you anything? Can I get you anything? Please make yourself comfortable. Please make yourself comfortable. Suppose you're refusing politely or saying no. I'm sorry, I can't today. I'm sorry, I can't today. Maybe another time. Maybe another time. Thanks for the offer, but I'll pass. Thanks for the offer, but I'll pass. Now let's try a few more from general everyday moments. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Can we talk about it later? Can we talk about it later? That happens sometimes. It's okay. That happens sometimes. It's okay. You're doing so well. Practicing little phrases like this every day builds strong confidence over time. Perfect. Let's keep going with even more helpful and real-life situations. Now imagine you're at a salon or getting a haircut. I'd like to get a trim. I'd like to get a trim. Not too short, just a little. Not too short, just a little. Can you please style it like this photo? Can you please style it like this photo? Now suppose you're in a taxi or using a ride service. Can you take me to the main market? Can you take me to the main market? How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there? Could you please go a little slower? Could you please go a little slower? Now imagine you're talking to a neighbor or someone in your area. Hi, I'm new here. Hi, I'm new here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. If you need anything, feel free to ask. If you need anything, feel free to ask. Now imagine you're talking to a child or helping someone younger. Be careful, okay? Be careful, okay? Let me show you how to do it. Let me show you how to do it. You did a great job. You did a great job. All right, let's continue with more super useful and natural English phrases you can use in daily life. Keep practicing, and soon these will become part of your everyday speech without even thinking. Now imagine you're cleaning your house or organizing something. Let's clean up this mess. Let's clean up this mess. I'll sweep the floor, and you can wipe the table. I'll sweep the floor, and you can wipe the table. Let's put everything back where it belongs. Let's put everything back where it belongs. Suppose you're cooking or preparing a meal. Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? Let's boil the water first. Let's boil the water first. It smells so good already. It smells so good already. Now imagine you're talking to someone online or messaging. Hey, are you free to talk? Hey, are you free to talk? I'll text you later. I'll text you later. Let me know when you're online. Let me know when you're online. Suppose you're in a public place and you want to be polite. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Excuse me, is this seat taken? Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for understanding. Now imagine you're taking public transport, like a bus or train. Is this seat available? Is this seat available? How much is the fare? How much is the fare? Please let me know when we reach the next stop. Please let me know when we reach the next stop. Now suppose you're in a hurry. I'm running late. I'm running late. Let's talk later, okay? Let's talk later, okay? Can we make it quick? Can we make it quick? Now imagine you're talking to someone you haven't seen in a long time. It's been so long. It's been so long. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. Now suppose you're feeling unwell and want to tell someone. I'm not feeling too well today. I'm not feeling too well today. I think I need to rest. I think I need to rest. I might have caught a cold. I might have caught a cold. Now imagine you're at an event or party. Thanks for inviting me. Thanks for inviting me. I'm really enjoying myself. I'm really enjoying myself. Everything looks so beautiful here. Everything looks so beautiful here. Now, suppose you're expressing emotions or reactions. That's amazing. That's amazing. Oh no, that's terrible. Oh no, that's terrible. I can't believe it. I can't believe. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these daily English phrases really helpful and easy to use in your everyday life. Remember, the more you listen and practice, the more natural your English will become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn English with Maria for more simple and practical English lessons. Let me know in the comments which situation you want me to cover next. I'd love to create more videos that help you speak with confidence. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.